In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a calf raise, but try to emphasize the fibularis group whilst doing that calf raise. So I've got a machine here and I've wrapped a band around the machine. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my foot in, and on the side of the foot, you'll see you've got the medial malleolus, so this pointy protrusion. Try to put it just on top of that point. And from here, you're then going to come out until you can feel the band wanting to pull you this way in towards whatever you've attached it to. And then from here, you can either do this on one foot or both at the same time. If you're struggling with balance, just do it with one foot. And you'll notice as you come up, you'll want to be pulled this way. So it's all about trying to keep the knees straight, coming up and back down without letting the ankle be pulled towards the machine. So keep the ankle nice and stable, come up, back down, up, back down into calf raise. Try to look as well as you're doing it, again, that you're not being pulled into this position. And that is how you work calf raises with a fibularis group focus.